Welcome back to Tutorials Point. In today's video, we are going to learn how to get a dubbed search in Crunchyroll. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So let's get started. So guys, first of all, you need to have an app, so you can easily get to an app store or Play Store. So you can see on my screen that I already do have Crunchyroll app. I'm simply going to tap on it. And you can see this is my particular home page, and I'm logged in as well to my own home page. So now what you have to do is tap on this My List if you do have any of the series enrolled and installed here. So that you have just kept in by keeping it as My List to watch later. So you can see this 2-pin like option. Just tap on it. So you can see you have an option of series and movie, choosing it, or even for the language you can choose all subtitle only or dubbed only. So you can see if you're gonna tap on dubbed only and tap on update filters, you'll only see all of the dubbed series over here. So okay, this is how you do it. This is how you change the options of all to your dubbed series, and where you get all the dubbed series just like this. So I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'm gonna see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.